Did you know that Atari used to make an official joystick repair kit for the 2600? Nowadays, people would laugh at this. You just throw away your controller, buy a brand new one. But gaming and just people in general were different back then. You wanted to repair stuff. You didn't necessarily want to just throw something away that mostly worked. So they created this joystick repair kit. So a new joystick back then was about $10 to $15. And you could get this kit for about $5 or less. So it came with a full PCB replacement, joystick replacement with a ring that goes around it, the boot that goes over the joystick, and even a brand new spring for the button on the remote to make sure that it was nice and responsive. So this is a pretty cool little piece of history here and just something I wanted to share with you guys. Anybody ever see that before?